Hi there. Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make marinated London broil. I want to thank the Beef Checkoff for sponsoring this video. We've partnered to bring you easy and delicious grilled beef recipes each week this month. Plus, we have some awesome giveaways going on too. We have a free summer grilling cheat sheet with everything you need to know about grilling beef. And we are also giving away free digital meat thermometers while supplies last. So check out the details in the link below. Plus, we're giving away a free grill to one lucky winner. You can find all of the details in the video description, so make sure you go check it out. Okay, let's get started with the recipe. London broil is really a misnomer. It has nothing to do with the Brits, it's really just a method of cooking. You can find beef labeled as London broil at many grocery stores, but it's not actually a cut of beef. London broil is a way to cook a tougher cut of beef, like a top round. Now, the beef is marinated and seared on high heat, either on a grill or under a broiler, as the name implies. So the first thing we need to do to make our marinated London broil is to whip up our marinade. And it's really a flavor bomb marinade. There is so much going on. It is going to tenderize and flavor up this piece of beef like you won't believe. So I'm going to use this nifty gadget. It holds zipper bags. So we're going to make this marinade right in the zipper bag. No need to dirty any extra dishes. We're gonna put everything right in here and then we're gonna pop it in the fridge. So first things first, I have some vegetable oil. So we're going to put the vegetable oil into the bag. Then we are going to add some balsamic vinegar. Okay, next up is some Worcestershire sauce. Good umami flavors coming from there, and even more umami flavors coming from the soy sauce, and that's really our salt for this marinade. Next up, some lemon juice. So I have about 2 lemons here, and I'm gonna tell you what, I don't even care if the seeds get in there because we're gonna be discarding this marinade when we're done. It's just for flavor, so I'm not worried about it. We're gonna squeeze, get all that juice out of there. That's really gonna help tenderize the beef. The acid from the lemon gets in there and starts working on those beef fibers, breaking them down, making this tough cut of beef. Next, we have some Dijon mustard. I'm gonna use about 3 tablespoons of this. I'm eyeballing. You can feel free to measure. That looks to be about 3. And next, we're going to add some herbs and flavorings. So here I have some of my Italian seasoning blend. I make mine from scratch, but you could easily buy it in the supermarket. You can get the link to this recipe in the video description below. So we're gonna put all of that in. And for a little bit of heat and some kick, I have some crushed red pepper. So we'll get that in there. All right, that's it for our marinade. I'm just going to take this and really just mush it around, technical term. We wanna get that mustard all mixed in with the oil and the vinegars and the lemon juice and all those seasonings. Smells so good. All right, let's move this guy to the side. So here I have my top round roast. Mine was labeled London broil at my grocery store. It all depends how your store labels things as to what you can find, but it's a tougher cut of meat, which usually means it's less expensive. So this is good. It's gonna feed a nice group of people too. It's a nice big piece. So we're gonna take this big bad boy here, put him in the bag, and then I'm gonna seal it, but press out any of that extra air before I close it up. That just makes it easier for you to squish it around and make sure that the entire piece of beef is covered in that marinade. So you really wanna make sure it really gets in there and covers the entire piece. Now, we are going to place this in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. Let it go overnight is usually the best thing. And then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna grill it up. Okay, so our London broil is done. I brought it in off the grill. I let it rest for about 6 or 7 minutes. We really want those juices to work their way back into the beef so it doesn't come spilling out when we cut into it. But it smells crazy good. Let's get into this and see what it looks like. So I'm just going to, it's still kind of hot. Now, if you remember, the grain ran vertically on this beef, so we're just going to cut against the grain. And we're going to slice it this way. Oh, look at that. Oh, guys, this smells so good. And look how juicy it is. Oh, you can see the beautiful juice right there in the steak. All right, I'm going in. I'm gonna take a bite of this. This beef is so juicy and so tender and flavorful, you won't believe it. We took a cheaper cut of meat and turned it into something that is crazy good and will melt in your mouth. The flavor in this beef is to die for. You have got to try this recipe. You will love it. Thanks for watching. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And be sure to check out all the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. And don't forget to check out those freebies down below. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.